Often they're found feeding from the ground, collecting whatever tasty treats they find there. They also perch on tufts of grass to grab their seeds. Rosellas eat with their feet. Outside of the breeding season, these birds forage in flocks, sometimes including individuals of other Rosella species. The juveniles form their own aggregations and are more often seen on forest edges in larger groups, numbering up to 20. Rosellas breed from spring to summer. They leave behind the group and form monogamous pairs for at least a breeding season. These parrots nest in tree cavities along with other available holes. They've even been found nesting in abandoned rabbit burrows. Their necessity for nesting cavities places them in direct competition with other cavity nesting species, such as the various arboreal marsupials living in Australia's forest habitats.